She's cool. She's loyal. She's great at maths. She's your friendly neighborhood maths hero. She's Eileen.
Hey Tracy, do you know how to do this question?
No. What is this?
It's statistics. Oh boy, help.
Did someone say help? What? First of all, we need to know what data is. Data is a collection of facts or information. It is divided into two categories, categorical and numerical. Next up, the measures of center. The measures of center is a summary measure that describes a set of data without a clusters around the center. There are three features, mean, mode, and median. Hey, they all start with M's. Among the three measures of center, the mean is the most common. The mean is the average of all the data within the sets. To work it out, we add up all of the data together and divide it by the number of values we have. And ta-da! Add the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12 together and you get 52. Then, you divide all of those numbers by the total, which in this case is 8 numbers, and you get 6.5. The mean does not necessarily have to be an integer. The next two features are mode and median. The mode is the data that is the most common value in a set. It can be really helpful to find out what the majority of data is. Median is the middle value of the set. But beware, you must order the values in ascending or descending order. Moving on, we have the measures of spread. There are three parts to the measures of spread: the range, interquartile range, and standard deviation. I know what range is. It is the area of variation between the highest and lowest number. Good job! However, in statistics, the range is actually calculated by subtracting the minimum from the maximum value. To calculate the IQR, separate the data accordingly to the 6-figure summary. And then, we subtract the lower quartile from the upper quartile, just like how we did for the range. Last but not least, we have the standard deviation. The standard deviation is a number that describes how far data values are away from the mean number. You can work it out easily with a few buttons on a scientific calculator. Consult your math teacher on how to do so. This is pretty fun. A lot of the time, people use mean and standard deviation to calculate important information, but sometimes you should use the median and the IQR.
Why?
That is because standard deviation and mean are best used for bell curve data and can be heavily impacted by outliers. But what is an outlier? I am glad you asked. An outlier is a data element that is outside the clustered area of the rest of the data.
Wait, but doesn't that mean politicians can lie about statistics?
What? No! All statistics are true.
But...
We are, by the way, the highest taxed nation in the world. Please remember that.
But it can't be. Statistics are all carefully obtained and calculated. They must be right. Moving on. Statistics and data plays a very important role in our society and your future. How? Well, as many of you may know, NASA has implemented more statistics into the studies of high school students. This is to make sure they are capable of using statistics so they can apply in future circumstances. But what can they use it for? Statistics can be used in fields like chemistry, in biology, in finance, astronomy, social sciences, and many more. Statistics helps all of these works by collecting, organizing, and analyzing the data collected. It will also help you find jobs in the future. I want to make money. Statistics can help you find jobs in many places, such as banks and businesses.
But what if I don't want a job in a bank? What if I just want to swim?
Don't worry. Statistics can even play a part in sports. It can help you calculate the time you took and measure how much you've improved.
Wow, statistics is so useful!
Not only that, statistics are used in other areas of our community. In statistics, the features and measures of center is commonly used to calculate information. One example of taking the means in our surveys is the census, and the data average are calculated and put up onto the ABS. This helps the government calculate information regarding the population and demographic. Thanks for helping us today. No worries, kiddo. I'm off to help other students in need of a maths hero. Until next time, bye!